Did you know an entire lake once killed 1,700 people in a single night without making a sound? Lake Nyos in Cameroon looked like paradise, a peaceful crater lake surrounded by villages where families had lived for generations. But beneath the surface, something deadly was building. For decades, carbon dioxide had been seeping from volcanic vents, collecting in the lake's depths like a ticking time bomb. On August 21st, 1986, the lake suddenly burped. A massive, invisible cloud of gas erupted from the water and rolled through the valleys like a silent tsunami. Within minutes, people and animals simply collapsed where they stood. No screams, no warning, just silence. The gas displaced all oxygen in a 16-mile radius, suffocating everything in its path. Survivors woke hours later to find entire villages dead with no visible cause. 3,500 livestock lay motionless in the fields. The lake still sits there today, quietly accumulating gas, ready to kill again.